Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Array.reduceRight. So what it does is it will applies a function against the accumulator. You need to specify that, and it will take each value of the array from right to left and reduce into a single value. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. And now I'm gonna make that. So what I'm gonna do is create a const array and create an array of array. So inside that 0, 1 and 0, I mean 2, 3, and then 4, 5. So this is a bunch of arrays of array, and now what we're gonna do is a reduce right. So it's gonna reduce from the right side and one at a time. So if we print now, what's gonna happen is it's gonna show array 1. There's an uncaught error. What the heck? What I did now, man? Oh, there will be something mistake inside that. So, whoa, I forgot to define the function, man. So yeah, inside that, what you need to do is create a function. I'm gonna use accumulator. So accum for sort and pass CV, the current value. And now what I'm gonna do is use the fatal function and accum dot concat. We will concatenate the current value CV. So when we done with that, it will return. There's something missing. Yeah. So this is how it works. So hope you guys understand. The last value is now in the first, and I mean the first value is goes to last and one another, and after that it just change into an array. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.